Hi, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy, and welcome to today's tip of the day. In this video, I want to discuss a question that was asked to me a couple of days ago. And I told that patient of mine I'm going to give him a shout out. So I'm giving a shout out to Eddie, who asked me this question a couple of days ago. But he wasn't the first one to ask me this, and I don't think he's going to be the last one. And that's why I decided to create a video to answer this question. So what is this question? Eddie told me that he has been experiencing Charley horse for the past couple of weeks, and he's asking me what to do about it. For some of you that may not know, Charley horse is another term for muscle cramping. So studies have shown that 60% of adults experience Charley horse or muscle cramping during their sleep. Now, what are the most common causes of having a Charley horse? Now, first thing is, have you experienced a Charley horse? Have you experienced cramping, especially when you're sleeping? So how is that affecting you? Is it bothering your sleep? Is it affecting your performance? Is it affecting your function? Is it affecting your confidence when you play? That you're afraid that you might get cramping again? Or maybe just affecting your mood because you haven't had a good night's sleep. All right, so all these things can be affected by having frequent Charley horses. All right, so I want to tell you what are the most common causes of a Charley horse and what to do about them. What you can do about it. Okay, so one common cause of a Charley horse is an electrolyte imbalance in the body. Now, so what can you do about having an electrolyte imbalance? A simple thing I recommend to my patients, they can eat bananas. So bananas are rich in potassium that can help normalize that electrolyte imbalance. So that's one simple thing you can do. Or you can drink water that's rich in electrolytes, but be careful with those drinks, some of those energy drinks, because some of them can be high in sugar. All right, so just watch out for that. Another common cause of a Charley horse is dehydration. So this is closely connected to the first one that I mentioned, which is electrolyte imbalance. So dehydration can cause the muscle to easily cramp up. I see this a lot in people who experience Charley horse during the summertime, especially older people, since they don't drink a lot of water, right? So watch out for this. What do you do about this? It can be as easy as just, increase your fluid intake. Just drink more water, more fluids. And that can help with the dehydration. All right. Careful also with what you drink, like coffee. Some of those can actually make you dehydrated more, or let's say alcohol, beer. Drinking more of that can actually dehydrate you more. All right. So plain water will be the best. And in a post that I sent out on Instagram, I actually started drinking water, infused water. So that definitely will be great, and it gives you additional health benefits. All right, so that's another common cause of a Charley horse. Now, third cause of Charley horse will be deconditioning or lack of exercise or stretching. All right, the muscle tend to cramp up more easily when it's not in the best shape. All right, so what do you do about this? Doing an exercise or having a simple stretching program, to the muscle that's frequently cramping, or to the muscles that are where you commonly experience Charley horse, that helps us a lot. Now, in my experience, Charley horses I see a lot occurs on the calf muscle and on the hamstring muscles. So those are two main areas where people experience a lot of Charley horse in. So I suggest stretching the calf or the hamstring, whichever is the cramping up. If you don't know how to do this, I would suggest visiting our website. We have exercise videos in our website that teaches you, how to do these exercises. All right, and we have other exercises there, but I'm pretty sure we have the stretching exercise for the calf and for the hamstrings. All right, so head on to that after you watch this video, so you'll be able to learn how to do these stretches. Now, website is restoreplusny.com. So that's restoreplusny as in New York. So restoreplusny.com. So feel free to check it out. And another common cause of a Charley horse or muscle cramping will be if you strain the muscle. let's say you're walking or you're playing, and you feel pull in the muscle and then starts cramping up more frequently on you. So that can be because of that strain, that those micro tears in the muscle fibers, they tend to cramp up more frequently. It's just a protective mechanism. So that's another common cause of a Charley horse. Now, if that is the case in yours, my best recommendation will be to seek professional help. Consult experts like us who have seen this, who see this regularly, and we will be able to create a customized program for you. So if this is the case, feel free to contact us in the number below. We can set up a day and time. We'll be able to assess your condition and create a custom program to address that condition. All right, so I would love to hear, if you try any of those, I would love to hear your feedback. Leave your comments below. All right, I would love to hear them. And if you find this helpful, feel free to share this with people family, friends that might benefit from it. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll see you next time in the next episode of Get Active and Fit with Reggie. Stay safe and stay pain-free. Bye.